Oh yeah, here we go. This is a little bit of a special treat. This is a book that I just received in the mail, and I had no idea when I gave my address to John B. Bourne. There you go, John B. Bourne, the author of Cheating at Texas Hold'em, A Modern Guide to the Art of Deception and Illicit Play at the Card Table. This is really, really cool because not only do I get a chance to be able to read a great book, remember books before the internet? This is about cool tricks. As folks may realize when you hear and see me, I've got poker chips, I've got cards all over the place. I'm constantly messing around with this stuff when I'm on meetings, much to the chagrin of people that I work with because they probably can't help but hear the sound. But this is cool. Anyways, I just want to give a shout out to John Bourne. John is a fantastic illusionist, mentalist, magician, and he worked with my team, Turbonomic, at the AWS reInvent event and did a great booth show. He's just somebody who knows how to draw a great crowd, had a great time, had tons and tons of really, really good positive reviews. So I thought, since John was kind enough to actually share this with me, look at that. That is cool. Author signed, one of my favorite things. I love the idea of card magic and learning card mechanics. So this is precisely the kind of thing that I enjoy. Who needs fidget spinners when you've got cards? And on top of that, it's a great study in human behavior. And I don't need all that stuff. It's the end of the year. It's almost Christmas time as this is going out. So thank you. Happy holidays. And if you want to pick up, I don't know if you can get it in time for Christmas because it's going to be pretty close, but Cheating at Texas Hold'em by John B. Bourne. Check it out. And hey, if you want to grab some great cards, you can click the link down. This is like my favorite card decks that I really, really enjoy. As you can see, I have a few card decks around the area here as my wife continues to remind me we don't need any more cards. I still keep buying more cards. I can't help it. In fact, I just ordered some really, really cool Harry Potter cards. So if you dig cards, if you dig Texas Hold'em, if you dig close-up magic, if you dig anything around magic and mentalism, John Bourne is somebody you should check out. Links are down below if you want to get connected with him as well. He does corporate shows and all sorts of cool stuff. And that's it. He's just somebody I really would like to endorse. He did great work and just a great personality. A lot of fun. So I think when it comes to, you know, what we can do to help each other out, that's it. I think there's really not much more to say other than, oh, right, hit the subscribe button because I've got tons of great content that's coming out. We got weekly video podcasts now. We've got all sorts of stuff that's coming. I've got vlogs that are being added. You are not going to believe the content that's coming, so I think you're going to want to check it out. Check out the book. Links are down below. Check out John's Instagram and check out his links there. Enjoy the rest of the year. I'm out.